How to organize files or content in Shazam. If you want to organize files or content or any type of other library within Shazam, first of all, you cannot organize content directly within Shazam app itself because it is a music identification service and not a file manager. However, you can organize your identified songs by using the Shazam's app integrated features to manage your My Shazam content and by exporting your or saving the songs to other applications like a music player or a cloud storage service where you can organize them using tools like playlists, folders, and tagging, as you'd be able to find all them here. You can also create a library of your own songs over there, and you can also browse to other various songs. But the basic idea is that it's not a file manager app, rather a music identification app used mostly for identifying the music around you. I hope the video helps you out. If you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.